Hello folks, RJ here. I recently looked into ordering the mystery tackle box like you see, and I was on Instagram and I came across this Rush tackle box offer, much the same thing, and they had the pay shipping, receive your first box free or whatever. It was like $10.34, supposedly $50 value. So uh, let's look at what I got with the first box from Rush Tackle Box. And I did get the $2.90 sticker pack, basically just to cover up some advertising on my Yeti here. So not a bad thing. There's a lot of stickers in there if you want some stickers, but inside here we got this. Basically 6 different offerings here on Rush Tackle Box from various companies. First is the Lunker Hunt Popping Frog. Cute little guy. This is a. I know there was something about this on here. I don't know what the weight is on this. It's rather light, small. I kind of like this. I like frogs. This is a smaller frog than what I have, and pretty good texture on that. I have actually already used this one, so there's that. That is an $8.99 value. And then we have the Xzone Xzone Pro Series soft plastic bait here. I think these are about 3.5 inches. Got the shiny stuff on there. There's 10 of them in the bag. Bass candy flavor, color. And this is a $5.99 value on there. Probably can't see that either. This one's interesting. Jointed topwater walking bait from Lunker Hut. I'm not sure where I'm going to use that yet, but I do intend to use this just for fun to see if it works out. I looked into this. This is supposedly a $13.99 value. Gizzard shad Lunker Hunt, 6.75 inches. You can see there they're jointed in the middle. So that ought to be interesting. And the Mayhem Bait Company Thrust Swim Minnow Smoke Pearl Belly Lamb. Yeah, 5-inch. Now these are some pretty good looking bait here with some liquid mayhem attractant inside the package. You can see that. And that is $9.99 value, supposedly. Throw this over here. And Xzone Ned Rig Head. Yeah, some little Ned Rig jig heads. $6.59 value. And last but not least, or possibly least, I have no idea, the Smart Baits color changing bait. Soft plastics. These are interesting. I'd really like to see how they do the color changing thing, but supposedly they do. activated by water temperature. I've never used a color changing bait, but I'm not all that used to using soft plastic, so this is going to be, you know, I've been meaning to do more bass fishing, so here we are. And those are a $6.59 value. So the first box, which I paid just the shipping for, $10.34, I think it was, took about a week, so that wasn't bad. And not really a bad value at all for that. I believe the second box though is $30, but still this would more than cover what I've got here. Would be more than $30, so not a bad value. If you're interested in a rush tackle box or mystery tackle box or something like that, you might give this rush tackle box a try. So just thought I'd show you what I got. Have a good day. Like, comment, share, and click that little bell over there for your notifications. Thanks.